Welcome to Billy Bob's Burgers and Barbecue. I'm the Bob of Bill, and today I'm making something that's not really a burger or barbecue, but it is barbecue adjacent. One guy in the comments that wants to make us comment about, you didn't make it, just shut up. Nobody likes you. But people do like this because it's Apple Bacon Coleslaw. You saw the title down there. This is going to be amazing. It's awesome. This is going on something that is definitely barbecue. So one guy in the comments, you can just shut the hell up about it. And if you don't like it, you can start your own channel called The Rules Channel and see exactly how many people want to watch that. No one does. One guy in the comments. So why don't we get back to cooking now? One guy in the comments. Thank you very much. All right. We've got green cabbage. We got red cabbage. How can you tell the difference? No idea. That went through the mandolin right here. Don't hit that with your finger. It's sharp. Ow. Might be bleeding. It's fine. It's fine. Just a flesh wound. We are going to add to that apple, obviously. And we have bacon over here that is already cooked up. We're just going to crumble this up. See, it's bacon right there. There might be a video real quick. Cooking bacon. It's bacon. We are going to fry up the bacon, and then we're going to slice it up into little pieces. We're going to make a cool dressing for it. We have some green onion that is diced up right here. But first we have to get our apple in here. This is something you can't really do ahead because I don't know if you know this or not, but apples go bad quickly. So we have an apple. It's been washed. It is chilled. This will buy you a few extra seconds. We're going to see if I can take the peel off in one piece. All right, there we go. It's one piece is perfect. It is not creative editing or anything. It didn't skip forward or anything to do. All right, throw that over there. We don't need that anymore. Come on, we're just having fun. You know, if you take life too seriously, you'll never make it out alive. Come on. Spoiler alert, nobody makes it out alive. We're just cutting our apple into some pieces. We're going to use our mandolin to do this super quick. Don't need the core either. You can go over there. What is over there? That is my assistant. Steve lives in the corner and he just catches this stuff. It's pretty funny. If you need to find your own kind of assistant to do that sort of deal, good luck. I just made that up. I don't have an assistant. I am my assistant. Why I call myself Steve, I don't know. I've been called many things. Steve is not one of them. Alright, I got a little bit extra core here. Core is not super yummy. I got a little aggressive. What can I say? I'm weird. In case you hadn't noticed. Alright, we are taking our mandolin here. It has the cool fun. This is a Vitalin. I don't know what they exactly call this, but it has the cool little ribs in it, so we can put this on here. We are going to, oh yes we are. I'm not stupid. This is making sticks basically, and it's kind of a pain in the ass because you can't really pull it backwards across it, so it sucks, but it works pretty fast, and speed is of the essence right now. Yeah, well, don't get the thing off of Timo. That's all I can say. I'm just kidding. This thing is old. I don't have anything that isn't old. I swear to God. If Amazon ever starts selling old stuff, I'll buy something. But until then, I'm sticking with my old stuff. Okay, there. Now we got sticks. See, we got sticks. Now, what's the big thing that apples do? They oxidize super fast. So what do we have? We've got a lemon. Yes, we do. Yeah, is there a piece here? Yeah, give it to the doggo. There you go. She likes that. All right. We have lemon. This is going in here. This is part of our dressing, but I'm putting it on early because nobody likes brown apples. Except the brown apple people. And apparently this lemon. That lemon loves it. So we got half lemon. There, squeezed. Fine. All right, that's in there. Just toss that. Boom. See, it's tossed. That's the thing. There you go. It's perfect. Now, cabbage in this. I'm not making a massive amount of slaw because there's apple in it. This has to be fresh. How much cabbage is that to that? It's a lot. This is about a quarter of a head of cabbage. Big head. Now, what do we have? We have bacon. Bacon is going down. If you want your bacon in big pieces, chop it in big pieces. There you go. It's the best I can do for you. You probably don't want it in big pieces, but if you did, that's fine. I don't care. It's your slaw. This is my slaw. Shut up. One guy in the comments. Go back this way. Boom. It's bacon. How much bacon is that? That is half a package of bacon, basically. So it comes in a 12-ounce package. Now fry that up, and this is half of it. So it's 6 ounces of bacon. Not after cooking, because obviously there's grease and stuff, but yeah. Is that enough bacon? I don't know. Probably not. Probably needs more bacon. You want to put the whole thing in? Just knock yourselves out. I'm going to grab another bowl real fast. We're going to make our dressing. Hold on. I don't have room to put stuff here, so it's over there. Hold on. Magic bowl. Okay, so we are going to make the dressing real fast. What is our dressing? We have a 1/4 cup of mayo right there. Perfect. All right, I'm going to use, not that guy. I got this guy out on purpose. This is a small kitchen, so I use the cutting board here over the sink to help make my counter a little bit bigger. Okay, I always get a comment about what this thing is. This came from the Pampered Chef. They closed down years ago. This is for doing liquid measurements. It has a cylinder inside that slides down. You fill it up with whatever and pop it right out. It's fantastic for stuff like this. For honey, for peanut butter, for mayonnaise, stuff like that. It's amazing. That was a 1/4 cup. This is really lightly dressed, so we don't need a ton. It's just kissing it. We're not swimming it. We have a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar right there. We have a tablespoon of Dijon mustard. Am I measuring it? Yeah. This is coarse. Doesn't have to be. Doesn't have to be at all. Okay. We have black pepper. A lot of black pepper. Oh, I like black pepper. It's good. It's got a peppery slaw thing. Oh, it's so good. I like it. A little bit of salt. Not a lot. Pinch of salt. 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. 1/2 teaspoon of pepper. Something like that, maybe. All right, we're just going to give this a little mix. Get it all incorporated. Yes, it's a little vinegary because this is kind of a slaw that you want it to be a little bit vinegary. Plus you have the apple in here. So you need to have a little extra vinegar to keep it from going bad. The acid helps protect it. So does the lemon juice, which is in there, which is really going to brighten this up quite a bit because this is a little heavy at the moment, I'll be honest. If you like it sweet, put some honey in it. Put a couple teaspoons of honey, maybe a tablespoon of honey. I don't know. That'd be delicious. I'm not really a sweets guy, so I'm not doing it sweet style. We're just going to mix this. This is not a lot of dressing, so you're going to have to mix it really, really well because we have a big blob right in the middle that wants to get to all the rest of it. So just keep mixing. And bring the bowl closer to you. Okay, I stamped a little piece of this. You just got to stir this up really good. One nice thing about doing the cabbage in 2 handfuls of separate piles is if you have a big blob of the purple cabbage or green cabbage, you know you need to keep mixing. That will help you determine you have enough. But you can see, very lightly dressed. This is going to go in the fridge. We're going to put some plastic wrap on top of this unless you have a bowl that has a lid that you can put on it. That's great. I don't have one of those. So I'm going to put some plastic wrap on top of this. This is going to go in the fridge for about 20 minutes to half an hour. The acid and everything's going to break down the cabbage a little bit. And we're going to come back and we're going to taste this. But that's basically bacon apple cabbage slaw sort of thing. And we'll come back and we'll do this and we'll wrap up the video in 2 seconds. But got to go in the fridge first. Hold on. All right, we're back. It's been about a half an hour and this is ready to go. This should be delicious. Let's just see here. Oh yeah, she looks really, really nice. Now this has softened up quite a bit, which is kind of important. Oh, it smells really good. Oh yeah, that smells really, really good. The flavors they're melding. It's getting the whole funk to it, you know, and cabbage starts. Oh yeah, a little funk in there. All right, so we got a little bit of this, a little bit of that. We got some stuff. I'm assuming there's, I mean, how could there not be? Come on, I'll make sure there's apple. And we're just gonna taste this, which is kind of weird. I don't know, maybe it is, maybe it isn't. Maybe you like just eating your apple bacon coleslaw like this. Good for you. Oh yeah. Oh man. That is not regular coleslaw. That is fantastic. The mustard in there, I'm not really a big mustard guy. I don't know if you noticed. Maybe you have. Maybe you've seen mustard face on other videos. But that needs it because it has to have that little bite to it and the whole thing. Oh man, so good. So there it is. Apple bacon coleslaw. Super simple, super easy, super delicious. Now that summer's here, oh wait, yeah, it's October. Shoot. So now that next summer is coming soon, you'll be able to bring this to a picnic, a barbecue, something else. And if you stay tuned, you're going to see what to use this with. What? So stick around. See you back here on the Billy Bob's Burgers and Barbecue channel. And if you want to subscribe, hey, you can always do that. It's free. Love it if you do, because there's like, I think 23 people at this point. It's not a big channel right now. It really isn't, because I put like 6 videos. This will be number 7, then 8 and 9. Pretty soon we're gonna go we're going double digits. That's it, people. Double digits around here. Woohoo! You're gonna want to stick around for it. All right, thanks for watching. See you on the next one.